Hey there, boaters. This is Alexander with Yacht Network by United City Yachts. Today we're in the wonderful North Saanich Marina, and behind one of these doors we've got a Tollycraft 37 1974, which has been refit. Basically every system's been looked at from top to bottom, and we're gonna get to go out on a cruise today. So strap in, grab your favorite drink, and we'll see you on the ride. Well, that was a lot of fun. I appreciate you guys taking this trip with me. If you're interested in more information about the boathouse package or the boat itself, please contact me at alexander.langley@yachtnetwork.com or 778-966-1543. Looking forward to seeing you out in the water, boaters.